just decided to make a video to show you how I got into Savvis EasyBridge. So I am in Jackie's ClassLink portal. I went ahead and just signed in, and I'll sign out as soon as I'm finished with this video, but I wanted to show you how to do it. So you click on Savvis EasyBridge, and then once you get here, you can, I've been clicking over here on the Savvis Realize. I think you can go to Savvis. There we go. It's the same thing. So either way, it works. So you can either click on this one right down here, Investigations 3, or you can click on this button, Savvis Realize, and it's the same. So if you will go to Classes, that's where your assignments are. So go under Classes, and these are all the assignments that I have assigned. Now, there are 33 that she has not started. So this is over the total of a week and 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. So don't do the ones that are past due. Just go back to the Canvas page, look at the title of the video that I've assigned, or the title of the game I've assigned, and find that one. Okay, so she has one in progress, so she figured it out at some point. I'm not really sure when. So if you will just click on the assignment, so for example, if it was this one, you can click on pattern blocks, and it's going to say, heads up, this assignment is past due, and that's okay. It says you can complete it, and then you'll just click on it, and here are all the things that you can do. The directions are up here, and so a lot of them are just like videos or like little just things to look at. So because you don't have the manipulatives, or you don't have those things at home, I've assigned these so that the kids can look at them. So I hope that helps. Just remember, you're at your ClassLink, you're at your Savvis. We're already there. And then you get here, click, and then Classes, and then there's all the assignments. So if you're looking for one that you can't find, click all the way down here. It might be over here. So these are the ones that I have just assigned. Okay? So I hope that helps, and if you need anything else or that didn't make any sense, let me know and I'll help you again. All right, bye.